First buy a home and the rest will come cheaper. If your annual income is 30,000 and you get a 60,000 ringgit value car, you will be a car slave at least for the first 2 years. And the rest will come cheaper. The reason is that banks charge the lowest interest for a housing loan, around 4.6%. Meanwhile, other types of loans have a higher effective rate, about 6% for a car loan, approximately 12% for personal loans, and as high as 18% for credit card debts. If you buy a house first, then service the repayments for a few years, after you build up more equity in your home ownership, you can refinance the house to a higher loan amount and cash out the difference. The extra cash you get at that time can be used for various purposes. That way, you kill two birds with one stone. First, you save on the interest because mortgage debt usually has the lowest interest rate than all the other types of loan. Second, you delay the gratification. You postpone your car purchase, which will depreciate. You postpone your overseas travel trips until you can afford it. In other words, you start accumulating wealth earlier and faster. That's why I said first buy a home and the rest will come cheaper. Just by performing this trick, you will be way ahead compared to your peers who did the opposite, servicing a car loan and continuously complaining about high property prices. For more money tips, download the free financial ebook series at KCLau.com. Financial education made convenient for you.